Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cushman Resident app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cushman Resident is a property management app created for residents living in buildings managed by Cushman and Wakefield. It allows users to pay rent, submit maintenance requests, receive building updates, and communicate with property management, all from a single platform. The app is designed to streamline residential services and improve communication between tenants and management. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users generally find the app convenient and easy to navigate. Rent payments can be completed within seconds, and maintenance requests are submitted with just a few taps. Push notifications help tenants stay updated on building news or package deliveries, and support response times are reported to be fairly quick. However, there are a few downsides. Some users have experienced login issues or slow loading times during peak hours. A few reviews mention occasional bugs, especially after updates, and limited customization options for communication preferences. While these aren't deal breakers, they can be frustrating during emergencies or high traffic periods. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Cushman Resident is a useful and functional app for tenants who want to simplify rent payments and communication with building management. It may not be perfect, but for most users, it gets the job done efficiently and reliably. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.